When it comes to picking the best brands of solar hot water unit, there's a few considerations. Budget, but also the brands themselves. You want to make sure they've got a good warranty team backing them, as well as a warranty that's worth the paper it's written on. One of these brands that's great when it comes to solar is we recommend having these serviced every 12 to 18 months. Not only will we inspect the panels, but we will also inspect the valves connected to the unit to ensure that everything is running optimally to ensure the longevity of your system. So at Mitchell Plumbing and Gas, when it comes to solar hot water, we help you choose. We'll look at your needs. We'll look at what you currently have. We'll look at the size of your household, how many bathrooms, how many people, whether you need surplus, what your budget is. We'll be able to help you make the right decision for your family. Some of the most common types of solar hot water systems that we install within Brisbane are continuous flow, storage, whether it be electric or gas, heat pump, and solar. Mitchell Plumbing and Gas provides emergency repairs for solar hot water units within Brisbane. Whether you've got lukewarm hot water or no hot water at all, reach out to us at Mitchell Plumbing and Gas. When it comes to solar hot water at Mitchell Plumbing and Gas, we understand that regular maintenance is vital, not only for keeping your system running efficiently, but also making sure that your investment's going to last the test of time.